Yo, what's going on, guys? Andy here, back again with another video. The reason why I didn't post on Friday was because my girlfriend was sick and she was home. She took the day off. So, it was just like, with her. You know what I mean? So that's why the video didn't come out. I didn't blow up anything. Thank God. I actually secured the payout on Friday. Okay, so there'll be a separate video that I did record, just a little video that I have to like stitch together. So yeah, that's good. I secured 6,323, just like Thursday's video. Said, you know what I mean? I think it was like $100 more because I had to make a little bit more. But yeah, that payout was secured, and today, was the day that all the money was actually deducted from my account. So, I didn't trade these accounts yesterday. So you can just go here. So I didn't trade these accounts yesterday. I got a $661 win on some of the accounts, and I got a $260 loss. So I did end up trading all of them, but I took a pretty mediocre play, honestly. So that didn't work out, but today was good. Today was good. $500, one trade, two cons. Caught some shorts on the 1 minute. So yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, right there, 19,241. So it was around over here. Wait, it was on the 1 minute. So I'll find it easier on the 1 minute. There was a huge wick, and then I just shorted that, and it was pretty simple. I think this one right here. So yeah, I was just playing my farm game, you know what I mean? Playing my farm game, township, and I'm watching the charts and all that, and I'm like, price keeps going down, so I was either waiting for the price to, touch this so I can short, or to get above it so I can, enter in on a retest, right? So price immediately it shot up here to 19,254. I wish I had my limit orders, because every time like it would come up a little bit, I would have my limit order there at the 21 EMA with like a $500 take profit, which is like 10 points, right? With two cons, with very small risk. And yeah, actually got filled. I mean, and then I saw it, I wasn't paying attention, and I actually got filled 12 points later. You know what I mean? If I had, paid attention and put the limit sell there like I had been like earlier, around here I was doing it, and then I took it off because it kept going sideways until it went above, closed, and then I didn't take this trade because I'm dumb. But it was whatever, right? So I still was patient, but I got that trade, for 8 minutes later, I got that trade. But, which was a little better, because I saw it immediately started dipping, and then I got in here 41, and then, sold at around the candle close here, which was good. I mean, it went all the way there, but, I saw 500 and I was like, okay, that's good. You know what I mean? So that's a trade that I took on these, what do you call it? On these Top Step accounts, which is really good. I'm above $2,000. What do you call it? The $2,000 drawdown or whatever on two of the accounts, and then I'm like at 1,500. Oh well, look at this. Matthew, thanks for reaching out. I see that your payouts currently still processing. When the payouts fully processed. Okay, cool. Well, that's nice, because I was like, where's my payout, bro? So yeah, and then yeah, the funds were deducted today, or later on around lunch. So around this time, around 10 o'clock, is where my funds got deducted from the account. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna open up the charts and place a trade. You know what I mean? So yeah, that was pretty good. Took one trade short right there. And then on Bull Knox, I passed 3 evals yesterday, and I got them activated, and I put up $1,200 on these. Took one trade with two minis. So this trade I took was earlier on in the day. Let's switch to the 5 minute. Yeah, because I took it on the 5 minute. Let's see. It was a play, I think it was around here. Or maybe... That was definitely like this one. Yeah, it was definitely this one. So, I was pretty bearish on the day, and we were chopping around a lot. And, as soon as this candle closed like this, I wasn't really that confident on it. So I took a short. It was a pretty, and then my stops were right above the wick. So it's like a 13-point stop. That's what, $520, $500 risk, and then I was just aiming for VWAP, and that's what I did. Maybe it was even later, because VWAP, when was VWAP at 497? Because I exited it. Wait, no, I exited it at 497, but I don't know when I got in. Wait, let me just. Oh, 641, I see. So it was pretty early. So yeah, so this was the play. Okay. So I was like, why is it so confusing? 641. Yeah, there we go. This was the candle, yeah. So, this candle printed like this. So I was on the 1 minute here again. So this candle printed like this, and I was like, I'm not really feeling, that confident. You know what I mean? We pushed up, yeah, a little bit, but I didn't think we were gonna run just yet. I was pretty bearish on the day. So, and then and another thing was the jolts was also later on in the day at 7. So I thought we were just going to chop till then, right? So I had my VWAP as, the sort of area that we would pull towards. Okay, that was my thought process. So what I did was I just shorted at the close of this candle. Now that makes more sense. So I shorted around here, and then I just wrote it down, and, I had a take profit already, placed 1,300, but it came to it. It would have hit if I just held it like another minute. It would have hit, but I was like, okay, just a little bit more, 3 points up, right? I don't need the $100. Just take me out. So I moved my stop loss there, or I moved my take profit there, and secured it a little earlier because I didn't want to, run up the drawdown or something on these. You know what I mean? So yeah, that was the trade that I took earlier on in the day, 641, and then 3 hours later, I took the other trade because that's when, the funds started, being deducted from those Top Step accounts. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. There will be another video coming out soon whenever they do the pay me out, so I can actually go through the process of putting it into my bank account and all that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.